Him say ALKALINE and MAVADO. Who behind him? I don't know if you remember the on stage.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. I'll come for talk Fox. You see it. People are going. Yo, big up all my fans them in the dancehall. You see it. Yeah, man. Big up all of my haters them too. Cause, you don't know. Can't do without you, you know. You see it. Yeah, man. I saw you think set. And big up all of my fans. Big up all of the Media Fox fans them. You see it. Yeah, man. We're just a forward. You see it. I wanna start. We start. Dominate the space and certain little things. You see me? But people, you know when I come for reason, I come for open up people's eyes. You see me? Cause look here. Them chatter one bag of thing. You see it, and now the facts behind it. You see it. But people, when I forward for come talk about today, see? You see a Gaza man run out. Chat one bag of thing. Oh, ALKALINE this, MAVADO this, with Jahmiel and Ray. You see? And this are the thing. I want to know. Listen to that clip here. Where the fool you say.
Jahmiel. You're one of the great artists them in the dog. Great man. I wonder what I go on for you, my dog. In a real life. But this is what really go on for you now, my dog. You know, so I follow your father fashion, why? Your career get cut short. Alright. The MVP business where that go on. Sorry for the slow people them. Go on. Who never wonder what go on for MVP or MVP just vanish and everybody just stop dealing with them on it. Make my blood clot till you know what go on. MVP did farm for destroy Gaza. For all who never know that. MVP did farm for try for run against Gaza in a dancehall. You see it? If Jahmiel get up here. Sorry Jahmiel. Jahmiel get up here.
I just see the clip a while ago. So basically, he must say, yo, man get up here and one bag of something and ray. See? But this are the thing, people. What happened to Jahmiel? According to what Jahmiel say, now have nothing to do with MAVADO and ALKALINE. You understand? That's a one problem. See? Remember say, MAVADO, they are foreign. ALKALINE, they are foreign. Zine, them man the life private. Zine, Jahmiel are the only artist. Zine, where the inner the MVP thing. Zine, so, him they are ground. You don't know the little thing where they go on and ray and this, that. Zine, Jahmiel up on the ground and do him thing same way. Remember, you know, the man forward out in the interview. Remember, you know, Zine, man forward in the interview and say, yo, him know who do it. The people were there close to him. Zine, I don't know where the brother here come from. The Gaza man here. Because if I hear him talk, I say, Jahmiel say, I'm MAVADO and ALKALINE over him. So tell me now, people, why would MAVADO and ALKALINE obey Jahmiel? Like, what Jahmiel have over them? Jahmiel have nothing over them. Right now, them two man help build Jahmiel, make people know Jahmiel too. You see me? Yeah, remember that? You see me? So, he might go say, yo, the MVP thing, the farm, if we go against Gaza thing. For you hear that you know say a Gaza man. I don't know where him get that from. This is just three artists we respect each other and I do them thing. This not have nothing to do with Gaza thing, brother. I don't know where you get that from. I tell you already, you know. I tell you about them Gaza man, you know, people. Them want so in everything what people do. You understand? Remember this. Remember say the MVP thing. Zine? The MVP thing, a Jahmiel come up with that. Zine? Jahmiel. I'm going to play that clip and make you realize what go on. Pre this.
show themselves. Artists can coexist, but we can live together, work together, and have fun. We do it easy. We do it easy.
Yeah, you guys seem so organic and natural. I know, Jahmiel, you said you came up with this concept, but like you guys look like you're just rolling, and when you
yeah, because watch this now. It's not about realness. That's how I say really recognize, really understand. So you don't know Jahmiel and a friend. It's not since Jahmiel becomes a star, Jahmiel I link with Gully God, understand me? While in the Gully God before Jahmiel have a big song. You understand me? Then you don't know Alkaline link with the dog them same way, family in the street same way. So it's one whole family come right around, no matter how I check it, the DJ Frost and the whole thing same way. You understand me? And at the end of the day, unity is key. Strength. And strength to everything. You understand me? Watch this. Most artists them get up and then fight against another man. See? Just like how some man goes on and fight against Alkaline and expect Gully God to come fight against Alkaline. But look how much fight Gully God get from the beginning. You understand me? So we know how dangerous fight is and we know how you would feel when you get fight. See?
People, don't just watch a video a while ago. When you see what Mavado say, you see the lady done say, yo, Jamaican come up with the idea of the MVP thing. Yeah. Zine, man, them a do them thing and rare. Me don't know how come or where this a brother ya come from about this against Gaza thing. And one bag of rare. Zine, Jahmiel go through where him go through. Zine, him say somebody close to him do what them do. First of all, you are going to come out and make a statement about Jahmiel say. Jahmiel never say nothing like that, brother. Jahmiel never say nothing about Alkaline and Mavado up him. The man say people were close to him. So wait. So Alkaline and Mavado alone close to Jahmiel. Jahmiel have him family and friend them where they are Jamaica. Where him they run every day. And this are the thing with Uno, you know. Uno talk a one bag of thing for bring down people and try to bring in other people in a this and one bag of thing. See? A lot of interview the man do. See? A little fall, you know, go on with Jahmiel and his manager and rare. Nobody don't know the full story, but everybody come out and make talk. See? Jahmiel a do him thing. No. See? Jahmiel a do him thing. You see me? I'm going to play one next clip. See? I'm going to play that clip here. Where Jahmiel do the little interview with them when him go through the thing. Pre this.
Yes. Vado lives in the state.
Yeah.
Alkaline lives in the state, it would appear.
Yeah.
Jahmiel, their yard.
Mm-hmm.
Everything good with them and them?
Yeah, man. Everything good. I just through the whole management change and everything the people feel like. So,
I get round to the management part.
Yeah.
People out there have the view that MVP is a formal thing. It's a group. It is run by somebody.
No,
It's
I never
just
nothing
a
like
unity.
that, bro. I never nothing like that.
Just a vibe.
Yeah, I just a vibe. You see me? Me know you, you know me, and you see me, we a link, you see me, everything good. Yeah. But every man have them own brand. You see me? I just feel like through me are the artist with the least amount of fans. People feel like say, yo, we have our own thing going, but
Can't be a one man.
Yeah, but
Would as the MVP thing benefited you in any form or way though?
yeah, if me tell you say it no benefit me more than lie. Cause when we stay sober, man, we go multiple places, brother, outside of Jamaica where I bring out thousands of people. So me I get introduced to them fans. You see me, them I get introduced to my fans also, and yeah, we share
So the
fans.
fan base open up.
Yeah, man, it work, man.
Give thanks. As we were saying earlier, Jam,
You just watch a clip a while ago. Zine, man, I tell you every little thing. Zine, remember this, you know. Alkaline keep to himself, Mavado keep to himself. You see it? And I like say the man them three man them up on phone every day, everybody have them own a thing for David. You see me? Jahmiel come up with the MVP thing. That's why I'm keep on and say, yo, Patriot, I do him thing, him have him own thing. But one thing him always say, the MVP thing, boots him career. Make other fans them know him. Cause him go up on tour with them and whatever and go up on other shows with him. Build Fame thing too, cause Mavado and Alkaline fan base bigger than Fame. You understand? It do good for him thing. You see it? But me don't know how come this a Gaza man you talk about, yo, Ray, against Gaza and Ray, this, that. But brother, you know fi talk. You see it? You know fi talk. Because when the whole of the artists them did I go against ALKALINE, nobody never come and say, yo, them a team up to go against ALKALINE. You know forgot about that? When ALKALINE just fought in a game, when the six them and Popcorn them and the artists them want run out, and Tamily want run out with this ALKALINE, oh me never know, oh me never hear no come out and say, yo, them a artists ya, man send them out for attack ALKALINE. Oh never say that, but now go say, yo, man send out Jahmiel for attack who and whatsoever. Our man team up against the Gaza. As some know, una hypocrite. You understand? Una hypocrite. You see me? But people, me I play our next video with Jahmiel. You're gonna hear what I say. See you.
Yes, ALKALINE and MAVADO.
3 different individuals, so you have to pay with different. You see me I say, never a package deal. You know what I say? And it do good for me in terms of when you talk about the shows them, you know, we've done a lot of shows, and when you combine the 3 of it together, thousands of people come out to see it. Promoters reach out and book the 3 with sometimes. Sometimes me have my own shows, them MAVADO have his own shows, them ALKALINE have his own shows, them. Sometimes we're in 3 different places at the same time too.
But he switched managers, and yes, he's back home, prompting talk on the internet about a breakup with the big 2. Social media, of course, immediately jumped on that. If he's changing management, there's a problem with him and MAVADO. There's a problem with ALKALINE.
No animosity in the man, and you have to remember the Patriots is an individual brand also. I have my own brand. The 3 individuals them have their own brand. So when me want to do with my career, that is my business.
I am listening carefully to what you're saying. No animosity there.
Exactly.
But there's more of a distance there.
I just watched a video a while ago. See? And this, Jahmiel keep on say, yo, look here. MVP thing, do a good thing for him career. You see it? This is the thing. You have to understand, you know. Jahmiel young, Zine, and the thing is that at that time, Jahmiel never really like strong enough to understand, say, yo, enemies they all about. You see it? It could have been anything. It could have been people where I say, yo, I like other boy I team up with them man, you know. And send a blow off of him. Rete. You see? That, you know, that could have go on, you know. See? And it could have been other things too. But MAVADO and ALKALINE nah, nothing for do about no hobby or whatsoever. You understand? Jahmiel keep on telling us, say, yo, the man them a do them thing. Him a do film thing, way. Him have him fans of a David. Jahmiel go over so. Him do him shows them see him with every little thing. You see it? So, I don't really know where this a madman you come from. You see it? Because I don't know where them man have to do with what going with Jahmiel. Them man not there around Jahmiel every day. Are the people them when there around every day. You understand? And you never hear Jahmiel say, what I know MAVADO and ALKALINE obey him. You never hear that come out of his mouth. You understand? Yeah, they might say, yo, man them not too talk. We know how them man they stay. Not even MAVADO and ALKALINE maybe not too talk like that. ALKALINE even too talk like that, brother. You see me? We don't know the thing set with them man and them thing. The man their life private. You see it? Because this are the thing with Uni, you know. You see, because you know, see them 2 man them in the streets or on the media and them something there. You know more will judge for them thing. You see it? You know more will judge for them man the thing. So that's why I don't have a one bag of talk and one bag of chatting thing. You see it? Because you I say, yo, the man them where I do it for go against Gaza and where this and that. Brother. So when Cartel forward out and link up with other artists or whatsoever, why you never say them I do it for go against ALKALINE or MAVADO or whatsoever? When Popcorn them and Ray artists are team up with this Alkaline or whatsoever. Why you never say them money a team up and I do this? You know always. When it comes to uno doing things wrong, uno highlight it. See? Uno not highlight that. When Alkaline and Mavado them a do them thing, a unite because them rate each other, respect each other. No, a wrong thing them a do it for go against and fight down other people. But when Popcorn them and them people they do it, no. Them just a do it for themselves. Them just a link up and a do it for themselves. That's why I tell you say, yo, this dancehall space a hypocrite. You understand? A hypocrite. Every artist a link up in a modern time. Yeah, unity. But when MVP did that, no. Them did a bill it for go against Gaza. You see what I try to tell you? I tell you about the music already, you know, people. You understand? I tell you about the music. But I'm going to play the next clip of people and make it hear what I say.
Him say, Alkaline and Mavado, who behind him? I don't know if you remember the on-stage interview. Remember, I tell you something I miss now. I miss a bad nation, my name. Alright, poops. Him go against Gaza thing and end up get up here, chop off and be a blood clot one. Oh, if you blood clot make Alkaline and Mavado say come on somebody with them now war. Oh, if you send a man like you who sing so much music, good music and give it good music to his ears, the great man. A dancehall. Jahmiel, to come war and no one like Sparta. You know, say them sell you out and should be out, Chargy. Them sell you out and should be out. Them use your energy and refuse you. You see that them bad mind are so really. Before you go in an MVP, you was the star you for your own. I don't know what she got you off. Make you go start with Alkaline and Mavado. Then after them sell you come war with Tamili and them now war with Tamili. No, who Tamili be? Them now war with him. And them send you as a bait, man, you make Alkaline and Mavado.
You just watch a clip a while ago, people. So basically, that man here say, yo, Mavado and Alkaline send him off for go war artist or war, must himself something like Tamili or whatsoever. Zine? But this is the thing, brother. Mavado and Alkaline never send Jahmiel for go war. Nobody, brother. If you have a dog, Zine, if you have a virgin, and him, and you dip on the corner or whatever, him and a man a war, and a man come for war, you gotta defend your virgin, you gotta defend your crew, your virgin or whatever. Zine, him, your virgin now, if he tell you, say, yo, dog, you not help me, you know the code already. Zine, people, I'm gonna play one piece of clip, I'm gonna see what Jahmiel say.
Never you thought people thought that.
Yeah, people
of you.
think that, but nah, sir. And people feel like me I take up people argument and them thing that anybody who see me clash with them ramp with me first, is it?
Because people would say that was the genesis of the chronic clash.
Oh,
because it was a
pick
thing
up.
yeah.
Adieu to the fox, eh? You see me? Two of the man them are sing song against Alkaline thing, even though them deal with it. But me I say, me and the man them apart and thing, like, me not see that fear, you see me? So I just shoot out, you see me? Nothing wrong with that. If you dog apart and, you see me, man rush him, what you go do? You run and left him.
People, pre this. I just watch a clip a while ago. Zine, you hear what Jahmiel say? And I say, yo, him see what go on, and him just run in and ray. Because I know that brother you talk about, man, send him out and ray for kill career and ray. Zine, I say, yo, the culture and this and that. Let me tell you this, brother. And this is the why these artists, you want artists to do one set of thing, one set of flow, one set of category. And that's how it work, brother. This is what I try to say. Them say, money no grow up on tree. Zine? But why the bank have branches same like how the tree have the branches? This is the thing. You're a musician. Yeah, Jahmiel start off from a cultural reggae thing, flow and every little thing. See? We know that. But there's going to be a point in time where you have to change up things. Because enough people know Jahmiel and never know him could have going at the war zone or certain little things. You see it? They never know of that. You see me? So when them see Jahmiel do that, no one step out and I say, yo, wait. The boss a step out. Him go off a be a little man and Ray. These are the thing. The man a show you say, look at him, versatile. I saw you have some music go. You can't stick in a one pattern, stick in a one flow. No, I saw it work. Music go in a different categories, different style. You can't do the same thing, sing the same theme and song and expect that things are go. You understand? You can't do the same thing and expect that things are go grow. And that's how business work. You can't in a one category and expect that yo, you forget rich. You see me? You see me? You can't expect say yo, when I stay in that category there all the time. Yeah, when Jahmiel roll out and I do him thing, people did shock. You see me? People did shock. They must say, yo, I know Jahmiel this. And Ray. But if Jahmiel never go out time comfort zone, you know who don't know say, yo, never know say Jahmiel could have do this. See? Never know say him could have be a war artist or whatsoever. No. You never like see that. You know why? Because him never in the spot only they want him with. See him like how now say him do that if you go against the Gaza thing. If him did a do it for a war for the Gaza now. You know not tell him say yo, what make it you know not tell him say yo man war the boy man Ray. But through him not over there so. You know say yo you stick yo we are par with them man, we are par with Mavado and Alkaline. I saw on stay. You understand? I saw on stay. I mean I go tell you the reason why Jahmiel thing kinda get watered down after that. And this is the thing. We know the music over the years. How the music work. The blackball, certain little things, links. And this are the thing. You have two forces in a dancehall. See? The side where team up and worship a man. And you have the side where independent and do them own a thing. See? Jahmiel forward over there so. Once you go over the independent team, the man who do them own a thing, you can go back neutral. You see it? That is the thing. The whole industry I go down upon you and try to attack your thing. After Jahmiel left, him and him manager, after him and him manager change him manager and Ray, and come back in his space, him go to him look a warfare thing, Zine, and him dead and thing and him a say, you know, Ray going to Bobo Hill or whatever. Zine? So after that now, you have to understand, say, look here, when Jahmiel did there, I link with Mavado and Alkaline. Remember say them two man, you know the industry stay with them. Them not frenzy with them man. So once Jahmiel left now and come back, you know say, them a blackball him. Certain man now go link him or, you understand? Them now go highlight him. You see me? Because them see say, yo, oh, him the over there so. So, yo, you now give him no strength. You see me? But then when Jahmiel did that do him thing, when them time before MVP, them did that highlight him thing a little bit. Because him never depend no side or try to choose nobody. So they must say, alright, a good youth, make him go on through. But now because him team up with the Mavado and thing, which, bro, when you just seen the video them I'm play. Mavado say, yo, him know him from a long time, Ray. The Alkaline thing and Ray. Zine? Them so them know each other. Zine? So, the man him just a link, I do them thing. See him like, oh, over the Gaza thing, the man them have them unite and them have them artists them where can help Cartel and go up on him stage and Ray. It was the same thing with Mavado them. The man them, I do them thing. See him like back in the days when in a dancehall, when man them usually dip on one stage and dominate. The thing just kind of different now with ego aside. You understand? These are people you have to get controlled by them. For you get under them wings. These are people who say, yo, forward. You must fight a thing. That's what the thing said. You see it? So, everybody look on the thing in a way where, bro, the man them, did I do them thing? Something go wrong. You have to just understand how the dancehall space work. You see, if you're not under a certain camp, them have a blackball a thing, them now go highlight a thing. You see me? Cause you have one side where uplift artists and you have the other side where bring down artists. You understand? If you not work with their rule, them kick you out. You understand? Because this is the thing. This is a brother you gonna say about kick out and Mavado Alkaline never. They alright. The MVP thing. Remember say Jahmiel come with that. See? Alkaline and Mavado never really meds bono MVP thing. See? It's just the name will come up with the three camp them. You don't know Mavado, the Vendetta thing, and the you see me Patriot. See? The people them you don't know. Jahmiel come up with that and thing and then the man them do them thing. Mavado Alkaline never really I say but the man them respect the thing and just work with the thing. See? Alkaline and Mavado never put show about nothing. The man them they still do them own a thing. Ray. Man them they are foreign Jahmiel are Jamaica. See? Something wrong with Jahmiel. Jahmiel sort out and a deal with fame thing. Remember say when Jahmiel got him thing, enough people don't know. Until after. You understand? Enough people don't know. You see it? So Mavado Alkaline have nothing for what do add with Jahmiel. You don't know how them man the thing already. Them man they not to run up in a people and I beg nobody nothing or I try for beg links. You see it? So you see sometimes when you hear them Gaza man attack, them want paint a bad picture on the movement. You see me? Them you want paint a bad picture. See? Because MVP wasn't nothing legit in a way where we can say, yo, this did a Ray. That's why today it even be a relevant talk. Like, he must say, yo, with MVP the way really. Brother, let me tell you this. When I check it, it wasn't a group where Commander One and I like say three artists them they have the same manager or them and this are not like some crew of artists where you know say I carry a team. Zine? Like you have three artists where we sing together or whatsoever base. Three of them sing one time or you see what I'm trying to say? The man them have them individual thing. So MVP is just a thing where them say, yo, a them man I mash up a place together, It don't have nothing to do with the man them career or whatever. The man them have them own a thing. So when you go say MVP mash up, that even relevant, brother. You see it? Because at the end of the day, man them still do them thing today. The thing with Jahmiel, we don't tell you how the industry stay ready. Them a go blackball him thing because him did it over the camp here. You understand? And as him say, them set him up for this, the Gaza boss. Whatever, I don't know where them a talk about. Because them money now meds. Cartel, you understand? Uno are the fans. You see me? Uno. Come up with them little idiot talk here. You understand? You go around and spread one bag of things. Ray, but yo man, them team up to go against Gaza thing. Say bro. Yo, so wait there. Cartel for the road. Zine, I know say Gaza fan them not like when we talk, you know. But I saw it go through, the facts hurt, the truth hurt. You understand? I saw where we have to talk and reason with the people and make them know what I go on. You see me? Cartel forward out. He might do him thing, my soul out, him shows them and whatever. He have one bag of artists for the stage, film artists and whatever. Give him the strength and the unity where them say. Ray. So how come you not say them are unite to go against the past MVP man them or whatever against Mavado Alkaline? Zine? Why no not say that? That's why I try to show you no hypocrite. Because me I go use but the same thing one that use. When that you say yo Mavado and Jahmiel and Ray did build up a team to go against Ray Gaza thing. So how no not say this now? How no not say Gaza team up to go against Ray? I just hypocrite no hypocrite. You understand? That are the thing. You see me? Jahmiel are doing thing now. Mavado are doing thing. You see, because such man there always highlight him life and every little thing. Zine? I don't feel like say everybody highlight them life. Everybody see when somebody a link up. Zine? That you don't want to see. We don't want to see every link up and Ray and this, that. Bro, man, them have work, man, them have studio for go. Man, them have them things to deal with. You understand? Man, them no love. Show highlight them life and highlight certain things. I saw the man them do them thing. You see me? So some of the time when them money talk, you know, make no sense, brother. You understand? Jahmiel them a do them thing. Jahmiel is just in a spot right now where the industry are just put him thing. Them now got to highlight him thing, you know, but him still a do him shows them same way. It's just that it now get highlighted. Me know him go over Gambia and them place, mash up the place. But in the dancehall space in Jamaica, them now got highlight him because of the past movement when we that represent. We all know that. You understand? Anybody where link with them man, yeah, them now go and highlight them because them say once them link with them man, yeah, them a go against the Gaza thing. Them a this Gaza boss. Because them want everybody to bow to this man, yeah. So if they not bow to him, them a go against him. That's how the thing said. Enough artists out in the game. And the man them a do them own thing. And true them a do them own thing, them a this Gaza boss. That's how the thing said. I just be a politics and hypocrites and you see me, bow down mentality and fake talk and one bag of thing. But Media Fox is here to talk. I make the people them know what going on. You understand? Because rather than build the artists them and stop blackball them and stop disrespect them, rather than you can just uplift the artists them. Zine, you rather disrespect the artists, and when the artists them disrespect you back now, you say yo, them no respect and ray. Rather than uplift. Show the artists them out there. Take phone fans and say, yo, the youth can do it already. No, they not do that. The artists have to come on the foot. I bow down and I touch on the foot. You understand? And say, yeah man, this is my son. Ray, that you don't want. You can't just respect humans and say, you know that youth can do it for your culture. Me I help, me I give my highlight. You see me? No, you don't want them thing. They bow down mentality to deal with. You understand? Yeah man. Bow down mentality you deal with. You see it? But over the years, I saw things that you get exposed and all of them look at something there. But as me say, Jahmiel do him thing, him go through him look a spiritual battle and certain look at thing. I just saw things set. You see what I try to say? But people, when they don't know, yeah man, a Media Fox man. You see it? You don't know come where I do just a reason and a talks. When I really care about the haters them. You see me, big up all of my fans. Remember, all of my supporters, all of my subscribers. You see me? I only me really care about. You see it? Yeah man, we don't care when other people want to say or whatsoever. Because when we are coming, we are reason with facts. You see it? That is it.